Madalas na bang magpalit? Is your equipment costing you more than it's worth? Let me share about Maricel. Si Maricel runs a laundry business for 6 years na. 4 na branches, profitable sa papel. Pero yung washing machines niya, nako, matanda na. 7, 8 years old, kaya parating nagbe-breakdown. Every month, repairs were costing her a lot. On top of that, lost income dahil may downtime yung kanyang mga machines. Tapos yung mga customers niya kept getting frustrated and some of them sa iba na nagpapalaba. So Maricel kept saying, next year I will replace them. For now, repair muna. Sayang kasi. Meanwhile, she was paying herself a decent salary, nice phone, magandang mga bags, at every year meron silang family trips. Sabi ko kay Maricel, compute mo nga yung tunay na cost of keeping those old machines. Repairs around 20,000 a month. Lost revenue from downtime around 30,000 a month. Customer loss, hindi mo nga ma-measure kasi nawawala na sila. Total, at least 50,000 monthly ang nawawala, bleeding out of your business. Ang mga bagong commercial machines, siguro mga 400,000 for all branches na. That's 8 months of what she was already losing. Kaya si Maricel natauhan. She finally made the decision. She cut her salary for 1 year and she replaced all the machines. Yung repairs nag-drop down to almost wala na. Wala na rin downtime. Tapos yung mga customers, dahil bago yung kanyang mga machines, they started to come back. And after 18 months, yung profit niya was higher than ever. So, doon siya nag-raise ng salary even more than before. Anak, tanungin mo yung sarili mo. Is your old equipment bleeding money every month? Sometimes, saving money by not upgrading is actually costing you more. So, do the real math. Hindi lang presyo ang repair. Include the lost sales. Include the lost customers. Ito yung lesson. If your equipment is draining your profit every month, reinvest in replacements before paying yourself more. Unahin mo yung negosyo. And don't forget, be business-minded, Pinoy.